If you've ever dreamed of walking through the rolling hills of Ireland or the rugged coastlines of Scotland, but don't want to leave the Philippines, there's one place that will completely surprise you. Batanes. Tucked away in the northernmost part of the country, closer to Taiwan than to Manila, Batanes feels like a different world. The moment you step off the plane in Basco, you'll notice something unusual. Wide open landscapes, dramatic cliffs, stone houses, and endless green hills that stretch toward the sea. It doesn't look tropical in the usual Filipino sense. There are no crowded beaches, no noisy nightlife, just peaceful scenery and fresh, cool air. What makes Batanes feel like Europe? First, the landscape. The island of Batan Island is famous for its rolling hills that resemble the countryside of Ireland. Visit Marlborough Hills, also known locally as Raku Apayaman, and you'll see wide green fields overlooking the ocean. Cows graze freely, cliffs drop dramatically into deep blue waters, and the wind flows constantly, strong but refreshing. It's the kind of view that makes you stop, breathe, and simply admire nature. Then there are the iconic stone houses. The Ivatan people, the indigenous community of Batanes, built homes designed to survive powerful typhoons. Made of thick limestone walls and kogon grass roofs, these houses look like they belong in a European countryside village. In places like Chavayan Village on Sabtang Island, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. The preserved architecture, quiet pathways, and friendly locals create an atmosphere that's calm, simple, and authentic. But Batanes isn't just about looking European, it's about feeling different. Life here moves slowly. There are no traffic lights because there's barely any traffic. People greet each other warmly. Doors are often left unlocked. It's one of the safest provinces in the country. That peaceful environment is part of what makes it so special. You can also visit Basco Lighthouse in Naidi Hills, where the view of the West Philippine Sea is absolutely breathtaking, especially during sunset. The cliffs along Balagan Boulder Beach add another dramatic European-style coastal vibe with massive volcanic rocks lining the shore instead of white sand. And because of its location, the weather in Batanes is cooler than most parts of the Philippines, especially during the Amihan season. The wind, the misty mornings, and the cloudy skies sometimes make it feel like autumn abroad. Yet despite all these European-like features, Batanes remains proudly Filipino. The culture, the food, like uvod balls and fresh seafood, and the strong sense of community reflect the heart of the Philippines. So if you're searching for a destination that feels international but still deeply local, quiet yet breathtaking, simple yet unforgettable, Batanes is the answer. It's not just a trip, it's a different atmosphere. It's the one Philippine destination that truly feels like Europe without ever leaving home.